In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lens in Midjourney. We're going to keep this simple and practical. The goal is to use a lens term, like 85 millimeters, inside your prompt, so Midjourney understands the perspective, depth of field, and overall look you want. An 85 millimeter lens is known for a pleasing, natural compression and a shallow background blur, which is perfect for portraits and product shots. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney. This is the quickest way to find the official site without memorizing any URLs. In the results, look for the official Midjourney website and click through. Once you're on the site, you'll be in the right place to craft your prompt. Now, it's time to write a prompt that includes the lens you want. Adding a lens term provides clear visual direction. For example, you can say, a luxury wristwatch on a clean, minimal background, captured with an 85 millimeter lens, ultra-realistic lighting, sharp details, polished metal textures, soft reflections, shallow depth of field, cinematic product photography, premium aesthetic, V6.0, style raw. Including captured with an 85 millimeter lens tells the model to mimic the look you'd expect from that focal length. A tight, flattering perspective, crisp subject detail, and a gentle, creamy blur in the background. As you type, keep your subject and environment concise, then layer on descriptive qualities like lighting, textures, and mood. Terms such as ultra-realistic lighting, sharp details, and soft reflections help the model prioritize clarity and polish. Shallow depth of field specifically emphasizes that pleasing background separation associated with an 85 millimeter look. If you already know the version or style you prefer, you can add V6.0 and style raw to keep things consistent and natural. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. Midjourney will interpret the lens cue along with the rest of your description to produce images that feel like they were photographed with that focal length. If the background blur looks too strong, reduce intensity by softening terms like shallow depth of field. If you want even more subject isolation, reinforce the lens and depth cues in your wording. That's it. You've successfully guided Midjourney with a lens reference. Remember, 85 millimeters is ideal for clean, premium product visuals and portrait-style shots. Use clear subjects, specific lighting, and the lens you want, and you'll get consistent, professional-looking results.